Here is the finished boat. You can see the stepper motor. It's on top of this plastic cup, and that can be taken right out to put the magnets on. Inside there you see the batteries. The cup can be lifted up. It's held on by sticky putty or tacky putty, mounting putty. The radio is stuck to the side and taped. The wires are taped to the side so the magnet won't interfere. And I've already tried this out with small magnets and it works kind of nice. There's the fin. The fin gives way a little bit. And it's balanced kind of nice. So we'll wait until we get a good day for sailing. We need to make a few more additions. We need to secure this inner container in the outer container, which has the fin on it. So I could take this out. I could take that right out and service it and leave the wet part there. And then we need to have a way to fit that snugly, and also a way to get it out of the water with a gripper, because the water is a little lower than the position where you stand. So I think that will work nicely. So there you have it. So we'll wait till spring. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, give me a rumble. See you soon.